In recent years, our collective nervous system has taken a hit like never quite before. So here at Held, we're really passionate about creating safe containers, spaces where you can come and ground and rest and heal and rewire your nervous system in the lap of nature in the womb of Mama Bali. When we experience stress in continuum, so over an extended period of time, when we experience chronic stress or traumatic stress, this has a significant impact on our nervous system, our health, and our well-being. So in our time together at the retreat, we'll be not only co-regulating with nature and with each other to bring ourselves back into harmony, but we're going to offer you empowering practices for self-regulation. Tools that you can learn to bring yourself back into harmony while we're here, retreating, restoring, rewiring. But just as importantly, tools that you can then add to your daily life in moment-to-moment practice out in the real world.
Our week-long retreat will be held in the stunning landscape of West Bali, where nourishing natural hot springs literally meet the ocean. We've intentionally created plenty of space for you to soak in the healing waters of the hot springs, to indulge in luscious, nourishing treatments at the resort spa, to enjoy healthy, delicious cuisine while relaxing by the stunning oceanside pool, and to steep deeply into daily yoga and embodiment practice personally guided by me to nurture your nervous system, to revitalize your body, refresh your mind, to reset your whole being.
A Nervous System Rewire Retreat might be perfect for you if you've been experiencing things like anxiety, a really active mind, overreactive mind, if you get easily overwhelmed, more emotional than usual, if you feel adversely disassociated, disembodied, not really quite here, or you find it hard to connect to your feelings. It's hard to be in the present moment. Maybe you get stressed very easily. Maybe you feel demotivated. You feel a lack of enthusiasm about your life. Maybe there's even depression. So these are all symptoms of trauma being stored in the body. We can reverse these symptoms by toning our vagus nerves, bringing our rest, digest, and repair back online where all healing happens. And then from that place, we develop well-being, equilibrium. We touch back into our natural resources for wellness. You'll have the opportunity to receive daily gentle yoga practices, restorative yoga, yin yoga, gentle morning stretches. You'll also be specifically engaging the nervous system rewire practices. And we'll be doing daily yoga nidra, a meditation to deeply restore the nervous system post-trauma. You'll also have the opportunity to receive deep, nourishing spa treatments every day. We include in your package one free spa treatment, but you can book in as many as you like. Things like Balinese massage, hot stone massages, which nourish the acupoints on the body with the Balinese volcanic rocks. You can have acupuncture. You can receive flower petal baths. You can have soaks in the hot tub, infrared saunas. We've supplied a whole plethora of nourishment for your nervous system so you can restore, rest, rewire, and renew.
We've also created optional opportunities to engage in nourishing excursions, exploring Bali's incredible nature spots, where we will enjoy trekking the stunning Mount Ijen, snorkeling the coral reefs of the beautiful Menjangan Island, meditative walks in West Bali's stunning national park with its birds and natural wildlife, kayaking trips through the mangroves, and even stand-up paddleboarding in the sea.
We've designed our program so that everything that we offer is optional. You are welcome to indulge as much or as little as works for you. The invitation is to attune to your own nervous system, and you can either join in all of the programs or use this time to just take time out for yourself.
Enjoying all of the magic that the less crowded and stunningly beautiful West Bali has to offer. When we first visited Mimpi Menjangan Resort, we were honestly blown away. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, it's tucked away on Bali's northwest coast. It has huge, beautiful gardens and these incredible natural hot springs right on the ocean. Every villa has its own private hot spring bath in the room. We just knew this was the place. It felt sacred. It felt like the land was already holding space for something special. We couldn't wait to bring a retreat here and share that feeling with others.
So it is our deepest desire here at Held to create a safe and supportive and nourishing environment so that you can leave here feeling rested, restored, renewed, and begin a whole new chapter starting anew. We look forward to journeying with you and supporting you in the restoration and the rewiring of your nervous system.